guys, my name is Jasmine, back again with another video, and today it is Friday the 13th. However, I'm very excited because in front of me I have two boxes from Adidas, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting these since December. These are the Ultraboost 20s, and this is the collaboration with NASA. These are the Space Ultraboosts in two colorways, so I'm gonna get into the unboxing and we're gonna see which colors we have in front of me. These are currently on sale. Right now they're $180, and I got both of these pairs for $126 before tax, which to me is a great deal. So let's get into it. I wanted to quickly shout out this brand, Apache Pine. They're not sponsoring today's video, but I use them and I got this knife for free. So if you go onto their website, I'll link it down below. Just a heads up, you know, if you sign up, you can get free promos like I did. I use their wallets too. So yeah, we're gonna use this awesome unboxing knife and get into it. Don't mind my cat if he jumps up here. His name is Butters, and he's black, so he matches today's theme. Butters, do not hit the camera. So first we're gonna open this one here on the left. Let's make sure my cat does not. Butters, do you want to say hi to everyone on YouTube? Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Okay, go do your thing, Butters. It says do not cut with a sharp object. So we're just gonna make sure we don't hit the box. Do not cut towards yourself, but you know how it goes. Today is Friday the 13th, so I do not want to cut myself whatsoever. I think we're good there. Okay. So opening the first box. These are my boyfriend's size 12. These are the white. We'll open this one as well, just so we can see them both. And then these are the 10.5 that I got. So these are the new boxes for the 20s. You can quickly look at my cat. They of course love boxes. Okay, back to the what we're all here for, which is the shoes. Sorry, adjust the camera. Okay, so we'll go ahead and open the white ones first. So of course you have your standard box here, and I can show you the 20s that I have, or the 19s that I have. We're gonna go ahead and open. These are awesome. Holy crap. These are awesome in person. I saw these at the Adidas store, but just seeing them again. And then there you see the Adidas Boost in Space ISS National Lab. These are awesome shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side, and then we're gonna compare the colorway with the white to the black. Now the indigo version is super awesome as well. However, they didn't have any of our sizes, so of course I wasn't gonna buy them. Here is mine. I personally love these the most. These are awesome. There you go. I love these so much. These, you have the Continental, of course, on the bottom. And here's the two differences, you know, compared one to another. So you have 20% more boosts compared to the old Ultra Boosts. And I'm not, you know, super into shoes. You know, I'm becoming more into them, so I'm not gonna know as much as like the real sneakerheads out there, like Seth Fowler and Hess Kicks. So I'm learning from those guys. They're awesome, but this is my first shoe like unboxing and review, so go easy on me out there, guys. But these are what I have, and they're awesome. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of what I got in the mail today. I'm super excited to try these on and see how they feel. I'm gonna show you my 19s that I have. These are the most comfortable shoes that I've had. I just got these a week ago. These are the 19s. The Flyknit is super, or the Prime Knit, I'm sorry, not Flyknit, that's Nike. The Prime Knit is super comfy. That's not what these have. This is more constructed. You can actually see it better on the white, as you can see, like right here. This doesn't have that. The 19s don't have that, as you can see. So this gives you more flexibility. So I actually they told me to go half up a size, but I tried these on in the store and 10.5 fit perfectly. So just, if you have the chance to try on the shoe, definitely try on the shoe. So these are a comfortable shoe. I personally like them. It's hard to keep white clean, but from Seth Fowler and Hes Kicks, they both suggest getting rejuvenate. So I'm gonna check that out. But these are my 19 shoes. I personally love them, but I'm super excited for my boyfriend to try out these shoes. They're awesome, and I'm super excited to wear these and try them out. So let me know what you guys think down below, and if I should get more shoes in stock, and leave me down some comments. And thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys next time.